Promostk, Sheila's Creations way. A twist to how to make mashed potatoes and sautéed zucchini. Sheila's Creations way. All right, you guys, this is what's going to be made on Sheila's Creations. That's Promostk, Sheila's Creations way. It's going to be some sautéed zucchini with some scallions. All right, you guys, this is the ingredients for the mashed potatoes. And as you can see, it's instant mashed potatoes, but what goes in it makes all the difference. And you'll see it made on Promostk, Sheila's Creations way. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Sheila, with Promostk, Sheila's Creations way, and I'm here to do two recipes that I'm going to be doing tonight with leftover turkey legs. And let me say turkey wings, because my sister corrected me. She said, it's not turkey legs, it's turkey wings. So thanks, Regina, for the correction over there in St. Petersburg, Florida. And here we go, guys. All right, so what we're going to do first is we are going to do the zucchini. All the veggies, of course, already been washed. So we're going to slice up the zucchini and we're going to saute it in this butter, you guys. And we're only going to use half a stick of butter. Half a stick of butter. This is sweet butter, so no salt on this butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in a skillet. Put the eye on medium. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and cut this zucchini. I think y'all can see me, okay. Take these tips off, because we ain't gonna do nothing with that. All right. And then how we're gonna do these is we're gonna cut them in half. And then we're gonna slice them, y'all. Cut them in half and then slice them. And I'm gonna try and do it like this. And I'm gonna slice them the long ways like this, you guys. Can y'all see? Yeah, I think y'all can see. Okay, so we're gonna slice them like this. And it don't take them long to cook up. So we're gonna need, we're not gonna slice them too thin, but we're gonna slice them about like this, you guys. See that? Okay. And as you know, the butter is on the stove and it's being melted. Y'all can watch me as I cut, or y'all can fast forward to the next item. But if you want to watch me, you're welcome to watch me cut this up. Yes. Okay. So we got a little sauce slice. I'm gonna cut that one off. So those are all cut up. As you can see, they're all cut up. And then what we're gonna take is we're gonna take my good old scallions, or whatever y'all wanna call them. We're just gonna cut these up and we're gonna saute these while they're in the pot with the zucchini. Because this is gonna be a savory, of course, a savory dish. All right, now we're gonna check on the butter. Okay, it's melting We're gonna bring y'all over to the party. We're gonna bring y'all over to the party. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do over here, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and put these scallion onions that are cut up. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there with the butter. Start to sizzle. And then we're gonna, once that sizzles down a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and add our seasonings to that. And the seasonings we're gonna add to it, you guys know I normally don't ever cook with salt, but my sister got me this Himalayan pink salt, fine grain, so we're gonna use a little bit of that. Just a little, we'll go ahead and put it in, figure about a teaspoon, that should be good. Put that in with the butter. Y'all see that? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add in the zucchini. So I can get this station so we don't lose the fall. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna add in the zucchini. Okay. Just give it a quick stir in the butter to get it all coated. You want it all coated in the butter before you put any other seasonings in there. Y'all know we got the salt in here and the butter, along with the scallions. And y'all see? And all we're gonna do is just stir that around. And it's pretty much coated right now. So, since it's coated, of course our seasoning is gonna stick better to it. So we're gonna put a little of this cayenne pepper in here. It's a little spice. About a quarter teaspoon. We're gonna put some black pepper, y'all. Black pepper, about a teaspoon of that. And then we're gonna put our onion powder. I'm gonna take my lid off from here so I can sprinkle that powder in there. Probably about a tablespoon of that onion powder. Okay. And then we're gonna give it a little stir. Now let y'all take another look. As y'all can see that. And I'm actually going to transfer this into my frying pan to let it continue to saute. And then we're going to start on our next side, which is going to be mashed potatoes. We'll be back in a minute. All right, you guys. So next on the menu is we're going to do mashed potatoes. And I'm going to use almond milk for that. Just gonna pour some almond milk in here in the pot while it's hot. We'll use some almond milk. And we're gonna use some boxed instant mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna tell y'all, this may be instant box, but when people eat my mashed potatoes, they never know. They never know that it came from out of a box. They never know. Give it a little mixy mix. More. There we go. So about maybe 2, 3 cups. And to that, we're gonna add a whole stick of sweet butter, pure butter. I have another half a stick set to the side just in case we need. And then, let's give that a little mix. We're gonna add some water to that. Almond milk, just water. maybe a cup of water. I'll put that in here. And we have it on medium heat. Ooh, that's splash. We have it on medium heat, y'all. And then we'll just finish adding the rest of the almond milk. And we'll add all that. So this was probably about maybe 2 cups of almond milk. And we'll have to add some more water too, of course. Because this instant, it will thicken up. As y'all can see, it's thickening up. Y'all see that? Okay. Now, what we want to go ahead and do now is go ahead and add our black pepper. And you know we gotta put our onion salt. You know that. I'm sorry, not our onion salt, but our Himalayan pink salt. Because there is no salt in here, you gotta have some type of salt on the potatoes. So, like a teaspoon of that. And remember, that's fine, so you don't want to put too much in there. We're gonna put a little bit of onion powder as well. And you guys, we're gonna put a little bit of minced garlic. Not gonna take it out. I did. Here it is, right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of this minced garlic in it. Probably about a tablespoon. Yeah, that's good. Stir this around. Normally I cook this in a microwave, but I want to do it on the stove top. And I'm gonna add some more water to it. Another cup. You kind of like add the cups of water as you feel you need it. And I'll put all that in there. Because it does thicken up as it cooks. And again, it's instant, so it doesn't take that long to cook. Tasting good already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this on the stove. And remember how I always like to use my saran wrap and seal my lid? I'll do that again. I love to see that bubble pop up because it like suctions it and seals it up real good. All right. So we got this on medium heat, and we have our vegetables over here sauteing in a saucepan. As y'all can see right here. And I'm getting ready to seal this up too. And we're gonna turn this down because now it's popping. So that means it's getting hot. So we'll put this on low to medium heat. And we will wrap this up with my famous plastic wrap. I don't know, I just love, you said, why don't you just use the lids? I don't know, I just love putting saran wrap on it. Cause it's like seals it or something, I don't know. There's something to it. Suctions it off or something, I don't know. But I like putting this on there and sealing it that way. All right. So you guys, we're gonna let these vegetables steam. We have our turkey wings warming up in the oven. That's all sealed, and once this pop up, I'll know that it is doing what it needs to do. So we'll see you guys in just a few. I sure wish y'all could smell this zucchini and all this good old seasoning goodness. Look at this, y'all. This is gonna be some good stuff. Some good stuff. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna be some good stuff. We're gonna let that continue to steam on down. I've already pulled the plastic off of it. That goodness, y'all. And the mashed potatoes, it's almost done. It's just thickening up. And we'll be back once it's all plated. All right, you guys, remember that zucchini? Check it out. It made its own good old saucy gravy. Don't that look good? Yum, yum, yum. And y'all remember that mashed potatoes? Such garlickiness. It's so good. We're gonna add some cheese on top of that, so hold on. I hope y'all waited for it. Check out that cheesy goodness, y'all. Check it out. Y'all remember that turkey wings we had the other night? Well, it's leftovers tonight with homemade sides. And check it out, you guys. And isn't it gonna be yummy, yummy good? All right, you guys. Those of you that are watching from Promostk, Sheila's Creations way, this is what you saw me make. And this is what you guys are gonna try to make as well and eat. But come eat with us at Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood.